Hi all, thank you once again. Yesterday I talked about the power of the brain, and today I want to add more to that. So, the brain has about 10 million neuron, and out of that, the connection between the brains, those neurons, the brain cells, are it's a very big number, about 1,000 trillion, or you can call it 1 quadrillion. So that's a very big number, and that scared me. And looking at this, having this information, what came to my mind is that what have I been using my brain for? Am I really using it for the purpose that it deserves? And have I wasted it? And I'm so grateful that I still have some life left before me to be able to develop this. So I'm going through a process, and I'm in a journey, and I think that journey will take me to where I will make use of the capacity of that brain, increase the percentage from the current dormant stage of only working on the body functioning to doing great things like the great men of yesterday and the great men of today. So I have to challenge myself each and every day, build. I'm gonna start from ground zero and develop and then gain, build upon the success of every step. But this got to be uh, a sustainable growth, something that I have to pursue to a logical conclusion. Thank you very much, and take care and bye.